Your reputation is only as good as the parts you fit. So when it comes to replacing your customers' globes, choose Narva. For over 60 years, Narva Germany has manufactured OE quality halogen globes. They offer a performance equivalent to or even greater than the vehicle's original parts. The recently upgraded range of premium incandescent globes features European precision production, ensuring elimination of early failures, but also an increased life of up to 2 times that of standard incandescent globes. Everlive performance globes provide up to 4 times the lifespan of a normal globe. Recommended on the first globe change for any new vehicle, they're also ideal for vehicles that run a higher voltage to protect against premature failures. Narva's incandescent halogen and performance globe range are ADR approved, meaning added peace of mind for you and your customers. Available in a range of globe types and trade-only packages. Contact Narva today to start stocking Narva Globes. Visit narva.com.au/safersmarternarva for more information.